Not letting up from the Xiaomi 11T series released a few months back, Xiaomi has upped the ante with the release of yet another flagship game changer. But coming from the already successful 11T series, can the tech giant offer more?
Hi, my name is Colin and welcome back again to Ungeek. In today's episode, we are going to be taking a look at two new smartphones from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi 12 and the Xiaomi 12 Pro. We dive deeper into these two new smartphones and see what their differences are, their similarities, and if they really do have what it takes to be Xiaomi's next big flagship release. But before we actually go and do that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so because we're making more and more videos for you guys. Simply click the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell right beside it so you know when we come up with a new video. Right now that we have that out of the way, let's go on with this.
Before we dive deep into the discussion, let's quickly unbox these two, shall we? From the box, you can already see the difference of the two units. Unlike that of the Xiaomi 11T and 11T Pro, where both units look absolutely identical. For the Xiaomi 12, it's housed in a pristine white box with very minimalist branding. The Xiaomi 12 Pro, on the other hand, is housed with a black box and is relatively bigger than the Xiaomi 12. Inside, you'll find the usuals for each: soft jelly case, pamphlets and documentations, SIM ejector tool, USB Type-C cable, and the charging block. The charging block on the Xiaomi 12 is considerably smaller than that of the 12 Pro, and there's a good reason for that. There are also no separate screen protectors here, and they're already placed over the phones for our convenience. Moving on to the phones themselves, the Xiaomi 12 and the Xiaomi 12 Pro now look entirely different size-wise. Overall design, however,
They look similar, one's just a bigger version of the other. Finally.
Starting with the Xiaomi 12 proper, this very handy phone enjoys a curved candy bar design with a nice polished matte coating. This should ward off pesky fingerprint smudges. With a width of just 69.9mm, the Xiaomi 12 fits perfectly in the palm of your hands. The color that we got for the Xiaomi 12 is the purple colorway, but it also comes in a dark gray and blue hue. The Xiaomi 12 has a 6.28-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus screen with 120Hz refresh rate support. This is also Xiaomi's most colorful screen to date. It provides over 68 billion colors and comes with true color display calibrated by color professionals. Featuring Dolby Vision and HDR+, users can enjoy ultra-vivid images backed by incredible brightness, contrast, and colors full of details. Despite the screen size, the clarity of screen will definitely help with the immersion when you're watching your favorite blockbuster online. Raw photos taken with the Xiaomi 12's high-resolution camera may look absolutely stunning and color-accurate as well. Speaking of cameras, the Xiaomi 12 is equipped with a large 50-megapixel wide-angle camera with a Sony IMX766 sensor, one of the most used flagship sensors around. This is followed by a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 5-megapixel telemacro camera. There are loads of things you can do with this setup, such as record at 8K capability, which is pretty insane as it is. But even if you're just recording at good old 1080p, you have so much at your disposal with this insanely handy device already. There's a special cinematic effect folder in the camera menu, which gives you a lot of quirky options to fully push your creativity, like the magic zoom or the zoom out, zoom in option. If you're not into video recording, photo options are great as well. The Sony IMX766 is a versatile sensor that can help you capture well pretty much anything there is to capture, even night shots. The bigger aperture on the main camera works well with the sensor to create better nighttime or low-light photography. For selfie lovers and TikTok enthusiasts, the Xiaomi 12 has a large 32-megapixel front-facing camera as well.
If you think that's impressive, wait till you see the cameras on the Xiaomi 12 Pro. But before we jump into that, let's see what else is under the hood with the Xiaomi 12.
Aside from flagship sensors, the Xiaomi 12 is powered by an all-powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, a 4nm processor that supposedly sets the bar for next-gen mobile computing. It's also paired with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of fast internal memory. With this setup, you can boot up pretty much any mobile application with ease and play your favorite games at max settings. Scared that this will overheat your device? The Xiaomi 12 series is equipped with a liquid cooling technology that helps dissipate heat quickly as well. We will say that while the phone can get quite hot, especially if you push the gaming to max, it's not to the point that it becomes uncomfortably unbearable. If you use the soft case that comes with it, you should be fine, even with long gaming sessions. Well, you can always choose to clock the gaming performance down to balance as well, which should give you an amazing gaming experience nonetheless. Now, powering all of this is a large enough 4500 mAh internal battery, and if you need to top up after a day's worth of use, the Xiaomi 12 comes with a fast 67-watt charger. That means you can charge the phone from 0 to 100 in less than an hour.
Impressed? And that's just with the Xiaomi 12 base model. The Xiaomi 12 Pro takes everything good about the Xiaomi 12 and pumps it up even further. Check it.
A bit larger, the Xiaomi 12 Pro is about 15% bigger than the Xiaomi 12. It also sports the same muted matte design that still gives off a bit of a sheen. We have the gray colorway with us. Most of the controls on the buttons on the Xiaomi 12 Pro are the same with that of the Xiaomi 12. Power button, volume rocker, USB-C connector, dual speaker grills, and I forgot to mention, both have sounds calibrated by Harman Kardon. For the display, the Xiaomi 12 Pro has a massive 6.73-inch Quad HD AMOLED screen. That's great for watching all of your favorite movies and video clips. The device also sports 120Hz adapted refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate, both great for video gaming.
Now, immersion-wise, aside from the obvious big screen, the Xiaomi 12 Pro has a more robust audio system than that of the Xiaomi 12.
We mentioned that the Xiaomi 12 has dual speaker grill systems in place, right? That's because it's equipped with a symmetrical dual speaker system that are Dolby Atmos supported. The Xiaomi 12 Pro, on the other hand, has 4 speakers. Yep, this one has a quad speaker setup that is Dolby Atmos supported as well. So sounds can literally go around your screen. Wild! Audio quality and clarity are top-notch, and watching any movies, from more recent blockbusters to remastered classics, whew, you're in for a treat.
It's just so beautiful.
Now, as far as gaming is concerned, the Xiaomi 12 Pro is also powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, but instead of having 8 gigs of RAM, we're getting 12 gigs this time, and of course 256 gigs of internal memory. This makes gaming a whole lot faster and easier, and we've tried the Xiaomi 12 Pro on several of our favorites, including Mobile Legends Bang Bang, Asphalt 9, Genshin Impact, and even Apex Legends Mobile. Go and max everything out. You'll be fine.
On to the main feature on why the Xiaomi 12 Pro became, well, a pro. It's the cameras.
The Xiaomi 12 Pro is equipped with 3 50-megapixel cameras. 3! That's a 50-megapixel wide-angled main camera with a Sony IMX707 sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel telemacro camera. Take note that this is the first time we're hearing of the Sony IMX707 sensor, and according to several reports, it seems that Xiaomi 12 Pro is one of the first, if not the first smartphone to ever use this large sensor. Compared to the 766, the 707 is the largest camera sensor that Xiaomi will be using on a smartphone. The setup allows for full creative flexibility and helps you to hashtag capture every scene in either photos or videos, whether daytime or nighttime. The video night mode is exceptionally great as it allows you to create very moody night shots, and it also has manual video bokeh.
Let me repeat that. Manual video bokeh. This means you can create absolutely cinematic moments with the Xiaomi 12 Pro. And even if you're an absolute novice like me, your shots are going to look, well, pretty good in my opinion. Check this tracking shot I just took.
Aside from that, taking night photos are made easier with a whole bunch of preset filters like creating neon lights for street photography or capturing quick scenes from a moving vehicle or vice versa. And as always, taking photos with a substantially good amount of light will give you amazing image results. And similar to the Xiaomi 12, the 12 Pro has 32 megapixel front-facing camera for those selfie and TikTok enthusiasts out there. Now, as far as power is concerned, the Xiaomi 12 Pro is powered by 4,600 mAh hours of battery with a whopping 120-watt fast charger. I am spoiled once again. I first experienced 120 watts fast charging with the Xiaomi 11T Pro, and it's back, ladies and gents. At 120 watts charging, your Xiaomi 12 Pro can go from 0 to 100 in just under 17 minutes. That is fast.
Now, I'll be honest, we're pretty pleased with the performances of both the Xiaomi 12 and the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Now, the question now is, are the prices attached to these phones justified given how good they actually are?
The Xiaomi 12 retails for $39,999 for the 8GB 256GB variant, and the Xiaomi 12 Pro retails for $48,999 for the 12GB and 256GB variant. Even with the free Mi TV deal, if you pre-ordered these during the pre-order period, it's still coughing up a lot of money, something that we're not used to seeing with Xiaomi.
But again, isn't it about time that Xiaomi priced themselves competitively along the flagship level lines? If we're judging the price based on top-tier flagship level phones, then yeah, they have one of the best bang-for-buck deals out there, considering the tech that we are actually getting. The question now here is, we have 40,000 bucks to spare. And that's it for our quick look at the Xiaomi 12 and the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Now do let us know your thoughts on these devices on the comment section down below. And if you've watched until this point, maraming salamat po. My name is Colin and I will be seeing you on the next one. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and as always, keep on gaming. Bye-bye guys.